All right, welcome on into the Beard Trends reviewers, Beard Trends. We have everybody here, and this month we're reviewing a hot, newer company called The Bearded Mac. These guys all have their packages to unbox.
It just opens right up, really easy to open. I like this instead of, a big clunky box. Definitely preferable to that. Got nice and encased in bubble wrap here. That's a beautiful sound. There we go. Let's get this open. So, first scent we have here is the Gentleman's Mack. You guys know the scent profile on this one? I'll probably find it in a second.
It is a fresh, clean, comforting, an aquatic cologne. From
okay.
Notes of ocean breeze, citrus nestled with amber, sandalwood, patchouli, musk, and a touch of zest.
Nice. Okay. So I'm just having trouble getting this thing off. All right. So it's a twist top here and a restrictor. Oh yeah, I like the bigger restrictor heads there. We'll see how this comes out. Oh yeah, really nice. Kind of a lighter amber type of oil there. Oh yeah, okay. So that is incredibly fresh. Cologne in nature for sure. Oh wow, okay. I like that a lot. Nice. And then what else have they sent me here? Is it the same scent in the bomb here, or is it a butter? Oh, it's a butter. Okay, cool. All right. We have a little card from Chris Mackenzie, the owner. We have, oh, nice. Sticker. Oh, awesome. That's an awesome sticker. Look at that.
What's going on, family? Chris here, and I got an unboxing from the Bearded Mac for you this side. And we're about to dive in, and Kaz just showed me that they got a pull tab. Boop. Let's just see what we got in here. Card. Got an Earl. Got some stickers. Nice little touch. Got a postcard. It's a beard swag. Yep, thank you for taking the time to review my products. I can't wait to hear what you think of the Gentleman's Mac. So it looks like I got the Gentleman's Mac. A cool decal. Let's get into this oil. Now, I have tried a few products from the Bearded Mac. And actually, I just took a shower and used his wash and co-wash in the mango and lime scent profile. Amazing. And let's get this garbage off of here. Freaking garbage. Come on. Just have to take our time here. And Kaz, like you said, it was a restrictor top, correct?
Correct.
Ooh. Frosted bottle, I like that. Labels are cool. So first impressions, absolutely love it. Looks like I got some leakage in the butter. Looks like it's got some tape around it. You can kind of see where it's all leaked out on the side. And mine is not leaking like yours was, Kaz.
That's good.
But it was, I think what happened here was it was filled clear to the brim. So basically, I look at that as having some extra, right?
You got extra in yours.
Yeah, I got some extra, but, oh, that's nice. Now, is this a butter or a balm? I don't know. This is a premium butter. It's kind of messy, and I don't know what's going on with me, but the last, the unboxing that I just performed, I've had a little bit of problems with. Look at how that just melts by the touch. With some of his products coming in with being messy. So, I mean, I can kind of get some, what is that? That's a spice note, I do believe I smell off of it. But all in all, great product, great scent profile, little bit of a mess, but that's okay. So now I'm going to pass it over to my boy, Dave himself. Kick it off. Hit it. Hit it, hit it, hit it.
All right, so let's crack this. I've been waiting 3 weeks to crack this thing open, just to let everybody know. So I've got same scent, same card. Thank you for reviewing our products. Always nice. I'm going to check the butter first. Mine actually looks like it should be pretty well intact in one piece. That is nice.
Yeah.
That is nice. That smells great. Nice butter. Did anybody go over the carrier blend?
I wanted to save that for you, young man. Can't take all the glory.
Oh, so it looks like Sal, Elipe, Kopuaku, Mumaru, Bobaru, Babasu. We'll edit that last one. Babasu is what is in here. And I just read actually on Chris's website, on the Bearded Max website, that he took all waxes out of these. So it is definitely it's definitely doesn't have the hold in it. It's definitely just a conditioning, but it smells great. I really like his color schemes. Like I looked at on his website, I looked at a couple of the other oils. He does so well with coloring and matching and shiny stuff. Really easy restrictor top too, huh, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that. That's good. I'm not normally a cologne guy, but I really, really like this one. So I can't wait to get this one in beard, and that's all I got. I'm gonna pass it back to Tyson.
Hey, that would be me over here, Tyson. You know, to much of what these guys said, I also have the Gentleman's Mac, and I have reviewed Bearded Mac before, so I know how this feels. I know how quality this stuff is. But this is a new scent that I've never tried out, and they nailed the description on point. Like this is, I get aquatic cologne out of it. It smells really, really good. And then as Dave mentioned, you're looking like at color schemes. Like this color for a Gentleman's Mac goes hand in hand with aquatic cologne theme. Like you see it and you kind of think aquatic because of the color, right? So he puts a lot of time and effort into it from what I can tell. My butter is not melted. I've used it already. It's just a whipped butter. But I get the same scent I get out of the bottle. It's just a good aquatic scent. So, and you know, like if you pay attention to my channel normally, you know what I would say. But I did have an input with this label just a little bit from my previous review. But I'm excited to dig into this scent, and then we're all going to wear this all month long now. We're going to come back with reviews the week of the 25th. We'll all put out a review of what we think of the Bearded Mac. And then on Saturday, May 30th would be my guess. It's the last Saturday of the month, Saturday, May 30th. We're probably all going to come together on one of our channels here on YouTube. Either Kaz's channel or my channel at 8 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to have a live stream with all four of us here. We'll probably get Chris from the Bearded Mac on there. And we're going to do some giveaways and just have some fun talking and probably have a discount code for you guys too. So I think that's about it. We can go around the table if anybody wants to add anything. But other than that, pay attention to the channels. Make sure you subscribe to all these guys. Give this video a thumbs up. And tell us what you think in the comments below of the Bearded Mac.